Original bad man, oh. Original. Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh. Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine. Wavy, wavy. And them girl, them a calling me baby, baby. Man, them a know say man I'm wavy, wavy. And them girl, them a calling me baby, baby. Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh. Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, man, I give her dirty wine, eh. She at 22, you got the vibes come true. Give me the clues of you. Bad man wanna handle you. Temperature rising. The way we vibe it. Temperature rising. You're so enticing. Wavy, wavy. And them girl, them a calling me baby, baby. Man, them a know say man I'm wavy, wavy. And them girl, them a calling me baby, baby. Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh. Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, man, I give her dirty wine, eh. Roll up, eh. Them man, them pull up, eh. She have a one fee roll up, eh. Them man, them turn up, them burn up, roll up, eh. Them man, them pull up, eh. She have a one fee roll up, eh. Them man, them turn up, them burn up, wavy, wavy. And them girl, them a calling me baby, baby. Man, them a know say man I'm wavy, wavy. And them girl, them a calling me baby, baby. Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh. Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, man, I give her dirty wine, eh.
Alright, so yeah, man, so the investment here. Nice. Oh, the rough spot them you talk about. Yeah, kind of body work good. Rubbing that tag.
That starts scratch already, you're fetch, you know.
People, you know, so we have to stop now. Anto, again, see it there, yeah, and make sure so you get your veggie money now. One time, yeah, and the milk too, yeah.
Fam, check this out. So came back, got the rental from my uncle, watch us. Yo, same room number there, same car for my family.
Got the vibes come true. Give me the clues of you. Bad man wanna hand.
Yo, only in Jamaica, only in Jamaica, only in Jamaica. Only in Jamaica, one go.
And them girl, them a calling me baby, baby. Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh. Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, man, I give her dirty wine, eh. Roll up, eh. Them man, them pull up, eh. She have a one fee roll up, eh. Them man, them turn up, them burn up, roll up, eh. Them man, them pull up, eh. She have a one fee roll up, eh. Them man, them turn up, them burn up. Wavy, wavy.
Pops there. I bought this. You look alright?
I saw the boat there look better.
But Pops, you need some fiberglass in that now. Yeah, Pops, cause
Father head across this place.
Kerry, what them call over there, so Lime Key? So which way we go now? Oh, so we are go over the island. We are go up on the island. Alright, so people, we are go up on the island to Lime Key, they say.
Yeah, so stay tuned. You get what me say? I already know, you know. Local we again, local.
Original. Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh. Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine. Wavy, wavy. Man, them girl, them a calling me baby, baby. Man, them a know say, man, I'm wavy, wavy. Man, them girl, them a calling me baby.
Hey, come the man, the vlog is a clean vlog, you know. Nobody with this stupidness, yo. Roll her, roll her.
Dirty one, say she wanna dirty wine, eh. Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, man, I give her dirty wine, eh. She at 22. You got the vibes come true. Give me the clues all
Yes,
you.
balance.
Bad man wanna handle you. Temperature rising. The way we vibe it. Temperature rising. You're so enticing. Wavy. Man, them girl, them a calling me baby. Man, them a know say, man, I'm wavy. Man, them girl, them a calling me baby. Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh. Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, man, I give her dirty wine, eh. Roll up, eh. Them man, them pull up, eh. She have a one fee roll up, eh. Them man, them turn up, them burn up, roll up, eh. Them man, them pull up, eh. She have a one fee roll up, eh. Them man, them turn up, them burn up, wavy. Man, them girl, them a calling me baby. Man, them a know say, man, I'm wavy. Man, them girl, them a calling me baby. Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh. Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, man, I give her dirty wine, eh. Original.
Right, fam, so take a quick run across the island. Show you exactly what's happening. Yeah. Basically, if I'm correct, I think you could walk from one side and just straight across. Huh? So, check now and see what I want.
Original. Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh.
Always have to come quick, you know. Yeah, man, when I left it, man. Look a ground lizard then there. But so far, so good. You know, they got my ground lizard over here. Let me see if I could. See him? That's a ground lizard. Jamaican ground lizard. Seems to be a lot over here. So I'm right to say. Some pelican on the back here, so. I guess this part of the stony part of there.
I'm wavy, wavy. And them girls, them are calling me baby, baby. Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh. Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, man, I give her dirty wine, eh. Roll up, them man, them pull up, eh. She a
Hold on, let me catch you, man, because I need to catch you properly, man. So what are your name? Tom, how are your name? Jerry.
Them man, them pull up, eh. She have the one to roll up, eh. Them man, them turn up, them burn up, wavy, wavy.
Alright, so I just tried to go on a Gloria's just now. Yeah, them so okay, I'll go in.
Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh. Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, man, I give her dirty wine, eh.
Outside. Yeah, so came in the Mother's, get some food, menu.
Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh. Catch a say man, I'm wavy, wavy. And them girl, them are calling me baby, baby. Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh. Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, man, I give her dirty wine, eh. She at 22, you got the vibes come true. Give me the clues of you. Bad man wanna handle you. Temperature rising. Temperature rising. You're so catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh. Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, man, I give her dirty wine, eh. Roll up, eh. Them man, them pull up, eh. She have a one fee roll up, eh. Them man, them turn up, them burn up, roll up, eh. Them man, them pull up, eh. She have a one fee roll up, eh. Them man, them turn up, them burn up, wavy, wavy. Man, them girl, them are calling me.
Clip we wings, some we can't fly out. But when we
Pretty what?
Pretty close. Ask the person.
Alright, Chief, top of the morning, now we're pretty close there.
You familiar with that? No? Alright.
Keep on travel daily, you see some people you can ask.
Alright,
Alright, thank
cool.
Visit Western Union. Come and put me up the foundation. All the hard man them favor me shot. Don't flash out all the money back.
Say, oh my God, I this my left my country for. Mommy told you that. You go look and say, yo, John, I love you.
Original. Say she wanna catch a vibe, eh? Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh? Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh? Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine. Wavy, wavy. And them girl, them a calling me baby, baby. Man, them a know say man I'm wavy, wavy. And them girl, them a
Oh, that was a great Louises. Yeah, one great Mama Louise herself, you know. Yeah, one. Restaurant in the river. Yeah, I'd cross over there, so a whole about park right up on the front, because as the people them say, they might get a fight, you know. Yeah, they might get a fight, so right there, so them used to park, so right now street fighting them I get. Walk go up on the stretch. Basically we're up in Garden Town. Yeah. So once we catch on the stretch then get some more footage. Alright, so right now we're hit down on the flank, so river down the ground, great river itself. Yeah. Yes sir, thank you brother, thank you. Paradise. Yeah, so it's a paradise.
And the river.
And the river. Alright, so people, you already know the farm. You already know the farm go. You have to sign the death warrant. No man, I just saw me love. No man, you're good to go man, you're good to go. So give me, talk to the people and the man, let the people know who we are and the whole works and all of that man.
I'm Tracy. Them need to check out Pretty Clothes because Pretty Clothes is the best place to be right now in Jamaica.
Right.
Best vegan dishes. Right now at the best Riverside dining, the best chill spots on a great budget.
On a great budget.
Yeah.
Alright, people.
You get everything, you know. You get a jelly with your meal. You get rice and peas, fried fish, ackee and saltfish, fried bread fruit, steamed vegetable, fried plantain, ital stew. Look how much something you get for one cost. You get a tour to the waterfall. Everything included, just 37 years.
Flip it around. People, you hear that one? Go on again, my friend. What you say? How much what?
Just $37 US.
Hear that, people? Alright. I know people, you know, I try to lose the belly, you know, to the right place, but they're right now. You get what me I say? Vegan dishes. So, right now we're going to work up an appetite and go up on the waterfalls. So,
come back, come check out the food.
Yes. We're going to soon in a minute, huh?
Just like Mama cooking.
Alright. Alright, fam. So right now we're going to head up on the falls and we're going to try to see about a little thing. Yeah, man. Nice little steep step and go, huh?
Vibes come true. Give me the closer view. Bad man wanna handle you. Temperature rising. The way we vibe it. Temperature rising. You're so enticing.
Definitely I'm going to invest in a GoPro in a car. They're more painting. I'm going to take a big man bath over there, so. You know the dog are all about man.
Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh? Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh? Dirty wine, man, she wanna dirty wine, eh?
Up, 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 up. Follow Ringo, follow Ringo. He's showing us the way. It's ridiculous.
Original Batman.
And they wouldn't leave, you know. They would not leave, even though the tour guy had to head back, because that's how they normally do it, to go get the next batch of people to come back. Yeah, so the dogs would not leave. Yep.
Dirty one, say she give me dirty one, eh. Dirty one, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Original.
Told you they was coming. See it there? See it there? Him a come, man. See him there? Watch out. Yo, them dog, yeah, sample dog. Still going through. So yeah, fam, when you come here, best bet I tell you, just wear like a swimwear. Yeah, make sure say you have them swim shoes, cause look, see, barefoot right now, real barefoot. So make sure. And the hike is actually a 10-minute hike. Yeah, so you see, we're on the ringers them, you know. Tag along, yeah. A gully creeper, I'm a creep a while ago. No, I didn't catch him. Jaja. Yeah, I got gully creeper a while ago. I go down. It's nice, man. It's nice. One, your mother catch bread. Yep.
She have the one fi roll up, them man them turn up, them burn up, wavy, wavy. Man them girl them a calling me baby, baby. Man them a know say man I'm wavy, wavy. Man them girl them a calling me baby.
Sick.
Yes, sir. How about this now? In the calabash.
Pumpkin, natural sick, no meat in there.
Ah, I eat it here in a paper. Yeah. Bus belch gas and already and everything, you know. Yeah. So you can see now, see Rassia coming in with the food. Yeah, man.
Just like mama cooking.
Yes, sir. Just like mama cooking. Outside, I eat that. See there now, people. Okay. Hi, Tal. Yeah, man, for my rastis, you know. Straight Italy, you see it?
Not far, pretty close.
Yes, I. So people are yes, the magic happening, you know. Real cold stove thing, you know. No gas stove, you know.
Like
yeah, man.
Cooking.
Yeah, straight mama cooking. It can't miss, you know. Get a slide through the Ras. Ras phone a ring and you don't know people are calabash, them are selling in a straight calabash. Alright, so this is the toll. Alright, toll road. On the way to Kingston now. look a midday activity, you know.
Them I know say man I'm wavy, wavy. And them girl them a calling me baby. Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine.
Alright, we're on our way to the restaurant right now, so we're going to walk now. Come in, jump up. Good youth. On the youth.
Them man them pull up, eh. She have a one fee roll up, eh. Them man them turn up, them burn up, wavy, wavy. And them girl them a calling me baby, baby.
Just here too, right?
Road, savage fams, watch out, the Potwah levels.
Tropical depression behind.
Potwah is crazy. Fam, so we just went by what's a place called Potwah, whatever. Yeah. There was this big hype on it about on Instagram, whatever, but yeah, the food wasn't all of that. And guy's attitude was just like all nonchalant. Yeah, so I came over here now, look a local spot right now. Yeah, my uncle and I, we came to this spot, so check it out, show you the menu. Yeah, so this is the menu fam. Place, they didn't even have a menu, a physical hard menu, and you don't even know the prices. So, you know, they could tell you whatever they want to tell you. So, look a spot there. Ah, there. Oh. Yeah, so, yeah, this neighborhood grew up in.
Hitchin Street, Almonton.
Yeah, the great Hitchin Street itself, Almonton area. Right. Used to walk all the stretch. Pops used to work down there. Yeah, so. Alright, so this is the pepper steak. Now, you know, I'll get into it right now. Alright, yeah, so the barbecue pigtail, fams. Yep, barbecue pigtail.
Hey, them have pepper steak and chicken.
We went to Gloria's the other day, and we went there, we had massive flies. So basically what happens here is the lignum vitae branches, once you break them down,
missile.
Man them I know say man I'm wavy, wavy. And them girl them a calling me baby, baby. Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine.
Alright, so top of the morning fam, where I catch a little early morning footage, you get to me and say, brother, run off the road, is eat. Shit, man. You ain't good though?
Yeah, man, I'm good, man. Guide force me, yo.
Oh, I know your car. Oh. Oh, tire bus and make you lose control. You're good, man. Yeah, you're good, man. Oh, the greatest thing that, brother. Yeah, man.
Why don't put it on the piece of crossbar up front? Put it on the piece of bar up front, man. Yeah, man.
Sure. Man, slide come around and say, nah, back. You chuck in the corner. Come on.
Where is it, man?
I'm saying, can we get him oil? Him outside. They are people. Yeah, man. So they had a stable. Get the back stable before, because once them start draw, then they'll swing. Top of the morning, fam. Alright, so we do a installation on the dashboard. I'm home in Jamaica, so yeah, we just run it up on the veranda, so you can see the dashboard right there. So yeah, you have to do a whole heap of disassemble. You know, but listen, if you know me, you know I love a good challenge. So yeah, let's get it in and let's make it work. Alright fam, as you can see, it's finished now. Those cosmetics right there by the AC, the whole climate control. Need to get a new one, and also where the radio unit is as well, but yeah, the dashboard in, so yeah, the car was locked up, so it kind of smelled a little bit more. These seats that need to clean, but we're gonna get on that anyway. Engine need a proper wash down. So far so good. Yeah, nice body work. It's good to go, you know, finish it off supposed to nice.
Original bad man. Never give me that the wine, say she really that the wine. Bad for the thing so, and for the thing so, me enough it.
Alright fam, just actually finished, so I just gave it a full details, cover the seat, and also a partial part of the roof. Yeah, so as you can see, so tomorrow I'm gonna give you guys a more, you know, light look on it. Okay, so I even got the third row seat down. It's a little bit light. It's a third row seat. Yeah, so but don't wash and everything. So yeah. She ain't got 100, but hey, listen, it's not brand new. It feels so. Yeah. Alright, so basically I'm on my first run. This is another banger. So yeah. They're not too bad. Solid. Yeah, so take it to another back, you know. I'm gonna knock out some work when it is it.
Say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh. Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, man, I give her dirty wine, eh. Roll up, them man, them pull up, eh. She have a one fee roll up, eh. Them man, them turn up, them burn up, roll up, eh. Them man, them pull up. She have a one fee outside, outside. Them man, them turn up, them burn up,
That's a good voice.
Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh. Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, man, I give her dirty wine, eh. Original, Original Batman.
One more year. Hold on. I don't want to reach up here. Put it here in lock. When I was Stevie on the picnic, my father named Richard. About the cake. So we make sure that we bless the cake that it can be multiply and supply everybody needs right here tonight. Alright? So in the meantime, between time, Father answer right now as I stretch my hand towards that cake, as to bless that cake, sanctify it. Let everything that is in that cake be nourishing to the body and let it be good when we're done. Lord, remember my slice especially that it be stretched forward in Jesus' name. Amen.
It's overflowing with joy and love and happiness. There is so much things to say.
This is talent. Free, only free person.
Alright, top of the morning, fam. So right now we're in the Senons Bay area, and if I recall, we had a bar right here where KFC was. You used to call Shamrock. The clock is right over here, and I knew they had a market, supermarket. Oh yeah, so I can navigate myself a little bit around town.
Turn right on Marcus Garvey Way.
Yeah.
Then turn left on King Street.
Find me uncle, cause my uncle down the side, you know. I got relatives on this end, like crazy, Remember, serve right, see, supermarket, right on the clock, yeah, I normally slide through one of them, look on the road, they go down the side.
She wanna dirty wine, eh. Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, man, I give her dirty wine, eh. Roll up, eh. Them man, them pull up, eh. She have a one fee roll up, eh. Them man.
Right now, the start at work right now. Yeah, man. Brother, knock out them thing, you know.
And them girl, them are calling me baby.
Alright, fam, so I go to the water, steel grass on the middle, so you can see from carry around and see the soil around, so the water solid, So basically come out just and say I find some simmers in an old building here, you know, around the port in this section. Yeah, so right now we're on the back of the port and this right as you can see water savage outside. So the water savage means water savage, so live water. Original water, really live, so that's how I got to it, you know.
Alright, you know, I'm gonna stop off and come get some swimmers, you know, you get me, I say? Yeah, man, see it there, big one and so basically I'm gonna come get some parrot and some snapper, you know what I say? Yeah, man. Check out the barracuda, yeah, so.
Yeah, season.
So then there are lime fish. Them.
Lion.
Oh, lion.
Lion.
Oh, lion.
Yeah.
Oh, like Aurora.
I'm still not sure.
Really lovely.
Lion and forward, you know. Yeah. I when you call him, go out for him.
Every year when him roar, and everybody run.
Yeah, but if you see from that,
Alright, so right now I'm gonna knock out some swimmers. Flyer can't deal with them, you know. They snap up on it, you know what I say? Yeah, two parrot different kind of snapper. Alright, so basically I'm going to try the jerk seasoning, so I'm going to see what I go on because you don't know me. I've got no good on the side, I'll knock it out there.
Them man them pull up, she have a one fee roll up, them man them turn up, them burn up, wavy, wavy. Man them girl them a calling me baby, baby. Man them a know say man I'm wavy, wavy. Man them girl them a calling me baby, baby. Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh. Dirty wine, say she wanna dirty wine, eh. Catch a vibe, say she wanna catch a vibe, eh. Dirty wine, man, I give her dirty wine, eh.